Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. The Solstice is a premium line for Harris. And we'll start at the front here. This is a tri-tune. The tri-tune, we did upgrade this with the rough water package. So if you're on bigger water, this is a great tune package to have. We've got nice big docking lights on both sides. The Solstice has some nice flip-up cleats. We did the blacked out package for all the rails. This is a white diamond on the color with a black accent. Come down to the back here. Again, Solstice 25 feet. We did the extended swim platform in the back, so this extends way out so you can hang out, hop in the water, a lot of space. We got the ski tow bar back here. We've got a transom remote, and we have two JL speakers in the back. And for the engine, we did the Mercury 4-stroke 200 horsepower. So if you're looking to do any sort of skiing or wakeboarding, the 200 will give you plenty of power. Want to also showcase the ladder here. This is a nice ladder. Push it in and out, and then pops right up in here. So let's go on to the interior and take a look at the rest. All right, welcome to the interior here. So again, the Solstice lineup is a premium lineup, so there's a lot of different things that we can point out here. Like I mentioned in the back, there's JL, so JL speakers. There's JL speakers back here, there's JL speakers all the way around, also with a subwoofer. So your sound system in this thing is fantastic. The layout, this is called the CWDH, so center walkthrough with dual helm seats, all right? Back in here is one conversation area where people can kind of lounge here. There is storage underneath all of the seats. In the armrests, you have nice cup holders that pop out. And you can just kind of see all the intricate work, all the detail in the Solstice lineup. So this is a pillow top, so it's nice and soft all the way around the entire boat. When we come to the dual loungers, we did the high backs on these dual loungers. So they both have the nice armrests. They're nice and tall. They recline back. They swivel. One thing that this one does differently that this one doesn't is this goes up and down. So if somebody's sitting in front of you, you can get up a little bit higher. So over here, we have the 200 horsepower, which gives you the digital throttle. So this is nice and smooth, easy to use around docks and lift and just getting you up on plane. There's a wireless phone charger down there. And then up here at the helm, we do have the nice gauges on both sides, and then the SIMRAD system. The SIMRAD system has a ton of information in there, everything that you might need when you're out on the water. Like I mentioned before, we do have the JL, so you have the JL head unit along with all the JL speakers. So again, sound in this boat is fantastic. When we come to the front, because it has the upgraded package, you do have storage in the floor. It's nice and deep storage. You can fit a ton of stuff down in here, and it's on a gas strut, which is nice. And then you have the nice sea decking with the Harris logo. 25 feet in length, so you have just tons of room up in the bow especially. You've got storage underneath all of here. You've got cup holders and some storage in there as well, all around this way, and then a removable cup holder as well. You've got a nice door with room on the outside of the pontoon. So again, 250 Solstice. This is a 2020. We don't have many of those left, just a few of them. So this one's sitting here at our Rogers location. So if you do want to take a look at this particular pontoon, give us a call, set up a private appointment, or if you're just driving by, stop on in. We'd love to show it to you. As always, click the like button if you like this video, and then click to subscribe to see all the different videos we're putting out every day.